All right. Well, it was only a couple days later I got the rails in. So, although I was a little bit disappointed when I first started unboxing this, I'd set aside quite a bit of time to really work on it. These were shipped within a couple days. So, get it opened up and take a look at the rails. More peanuts. Feels like that's pretty light. Three rails. Looks like they're all the same length. A little bit of bow in the center there. Get some oil on the spoil board. All right. The other thing I'm working on is a few of these linear bearings came in. They were pretty rough riding on that rail. So I'm going to pull those apart, clean all the balls and get them back on the rails, lubed up, and see if we can't get that a little smoother. The two bottom ones, they feel pretty good. They're pretty smooth. So I'm just going to do these two top ones and we'll be in business.